Coppermask has been the talk of the town due to its popular demand and the increase of usage from different celebrities and political personalities. And because we want nothing but a best for you, we give you the newest and improved version of the first and 100% original Coppermask, the Coppermask 2.0. I know you are all excited to see Coppermask 2.0, so let's start! As you can see, compared to our box before, we have changed its color into black. Now, let's see what's inside. We have here one piece of the new and improved Coppermask antimicrobial film layer, 10 pieces non-woven fabric filters, 2 pieces elastic bands, and also our new addition, 2 pieces seal stickers and 8 pieces Coppermask colored logo stickers. Now, let's assemble it. For our new and improved Coppermask, we will show you how to put the stickers first. Fold the Coppermask in half. Make sure it's aligned. Then put the seal sticker on the upper part and also on the bottom part. Next, put the Coppermask logo stickers on both the upper left and upper right side of the mask. After that, you can now place a piece of non-woven fabric filter inside the Coppermask antimicrobial film. Finally, put the elastic string on both sides and adjust it depending on your preference. Now, let's go to the most exciting part. Let's design our Coppermask with our colored logos. We will give you some ideas on how you can put these colorful stickers. We called it the classic styles. If you don't have the spare time to think of and assemble your Coppermask design, no worries. You can still use your Coppermask just like before. We call this one the original. Second, the army style. With this design, you can show your game face on even with a mask. You can simply place 2 different colors in both the upper left and upper right of the mask depending on your liking. The third one is what we called WILDCATS. Unleashed your inner beast. Design your mask by putting all the available colored logos on both sides of the mask. And lastly, create your own style. Express yourself, style your Coppermask with any design that comes up to your mind, and show us your creativity. And it's done! You can now finally use the newest version of Coppermask. Experience not only its antimicrobial properties, but also its unique and stylish physical appearance. So hurry! Don't miss a chance to get your own Coppermask 2.0. Place your orders now